In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust's gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment, our spirits ignite.
I can't be the only one who hears you. Tears falling down at the party, saddest little baby in the room.
This is so crazy, bro. I'm always full for you to bring out in the night. Devils with the dust, angels with their eyes.
This is the face of the girl who was talking for 3 hours and not doing that.
What have you been talking for 3
I'm
hours?
just kidding.
The biggest mistake was taking with AHL.
No, for the context. We were talking about me making stupid mistakes on my previous paper. And then Azalia was commenting that it was stupid, but the stupidest one was like,
As we twirl in the